This is Andy. He is a boy. This is Jenny. She is a girl. This is Dad, brother, and Andy. They are boys. This is Mom, sister, and Grandma. They are girls. A pencil. It is a pencil. A ruler. It is a ruler. It is an ice cream. It is a marker. If it is a boy, you say he. If it is a girl, you say she. If there are two or more, we say they. If it is a marker, pencil, ruler, ice cream, glue, or any object, we say it. Ha 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 ha! Let's test your brain. Where does Andy go? That's right, he. Where does Jenny go? She. Awesome! Where does ice cream go? It. Correct. We have Grandpa and Grandma. They. Amazing! Where does sister go? She. Wonderful! Where does the pencil go? It. Wow! Where does Dad go? He. You are right. Where do the two girls go? They. Good job! Where does the ruler go? Awesome! It. Good job!